Not very good, huh? Whoa! They sound like they're farting. I'm scared. Oh my god, I would love to go on this lake right now. There's not many people around, so it's really nice.
Hey, yo, Prof, drop that shit.
Everyone from Pulau Ubin. Myself and T-Lin have come here today. It's a little island off of Singapore for those of you who don't know, and it's a really nice place to come and rent a bicycle and ride around the island, and it just kind of feels like you're out of Singapore at least for a few hours. We did just arrive. Get a bum boat here from Caney ferry terminal, which only costs $3. It's a short ride over here and we're just going to rent a bicycle and ride around the island, but we are really scared because we think there's a storm on the way. But yeah, we're going to rent a bike and I'll take you around. Okay, we got our bikes. Mine cost $15 and T-Lin cost $10.
Mine's an older one.
I wonder why.
Mine's an older one.
This is an older bike. We are going to try and find this, what's it called?
Puka Hill.
Puka Hill. It's like this lookout point in Ubin. I've seen it all over Instagram. And we've both never been before, so we don't know where we're going. But this is Ubin. It's very pretty and quiet. And it's crazy to think that some people do actually live on Ubin Island. Bit jealous, to be honest. The weather is holding up, so we're gonna continue. Woohoo! Excited? Huh? I know, it's gonna pour any second, I know it. I genuinely feel like I could be on holiday right now. This is so nice. It's so nice just to escape Singapore for a few hours. Whoa! Oh, so nice. Oh my god, if you squint your eyes slightly, we could be in Europe. And the little lake. Oh my god, I would love to go on this lake right now and look like a rowing boat. How nice would that be?
Imagine, yeah.
Imagine. This is beautiful.
Well, we're here.
Yeah.
We're going to go straight down, we reach Puka Hill. Then we can go somewhere further and there's this Chinese cemetery we can explore.
Chinese cemetery?
Yeah.
Sounds scary.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we had some mishaps. First of all, we thought the bike stand wasn't working, and it was. And then I may or may not, in true George style, have crashed the bike. I braked going over a speed bump, and then I flew over the handlebars, but it's fine. I was absolutely fine. I don't advise trying to take photos and riding a bicycle at the same time. But we're finally making progress. This is beautiful, look at this. Also, it's the middle of the day, which, I mean, it's an interesting decision. Pulau
Ubin.
Apparently I said Pulau Ubin, it's Pulau Ubin. Sorry, my Malay not very good, huh? We are at Poker Hill, currently climbing. Is it Poker?
Poker Hill.
Poker Hill, currently climbing. Thielen thought he could mountain bike up here, but you can't, so we're currently walking. But look at this beautiful view. So we're on our way to the lookout point, and apparently it's quite a rocky climb, so we're going to continue because it's boiling hot. We parked our bicycles downstairs. Stunning. Stunning, hun. Stunning. And also I'm being bitten alive because this silly person forgot to put bug spray on. So I do advise. And also make sure you've got lots of water when you come here because it is so hot. Okay, that's all the announcements for today. Let's continue. God, that is the scariest looking thing I've ever seen. Okay, you first.
Should I just follow my footing, I guess?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm scared. We made it to the top. There's a wasp following me. Look how stunning this view is. Panoramic view. It's honestly so peaceful up here. What do you think, Thielen?
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, this is probably one of the coolest spots, dare I say it, in Singapore. What would you say? Nature-wise?
Yeah, one of the
This
best.
is pretty impressive.
One of the best views.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, monkey on the loose. Oh, 2 monkeys on the loose.
There's monkey on the right.
Oh god, there's another one. Can we ride? I'm scared. I'm scared. They're all coming out of the bushes. Oh my god. Can we go?
Let's go, let's go. Keep
So here's just an example of some of the houses that still remain here, people still living here on Ubin, which is pretty amazing, to be honest. This house, so pretty. Just feel sorry for these poor guys. I'm not sure what the taxi service is for where.
I think they live here, no? I think.
Yeah, but it said taxi. Not much to do.
To go all the way to the campsite.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am at Jurong Bird Park for an afternoon out. Like I've said before, Singapore's pretty much closed everywhere at the moment, but it's really nice to have a few attractions open, and Jurong Bird Park is one of them. And I haven't been here for maybe 4 years. It's been a long time. It's so quiet here, so if you do want to come, there's not many people around, so it's really nice. So yeah, I'm just going to take you around and show you all the different birds today. We've just hopped on the tram and we've come to, I think it's like tram stop number 3. And we're currently going into the Waterfall aviary. So let's go. This is pretty, but it's kind of an illusion because it's actually all inside. But listen to the birds. Oh my god, it looks like Bali. Oh, it's so cute. Wow! Is that a duck that's flying? That can't be a duck.
Ducks do fly.
Do they? I was just saying we have a pond back home in the UK. Oh no, is it a heron that eats the fish? Yeah, surely there's not a pelican. Wait, is it a pelican or a heron? I don't know, but it's massive. Whoa! I did not know this existed in Singapore. So pretty. Oh my god, it feels like we're on holiday.
We're in Bali.
We're in Bali. Whoa! I feel like a bird is going to poo on my head.
Probably.
Yeah, I really like this park. We said it feels like you're kind of in a little avatar bird land in here. It's really, really pretty. And the sounds of the birds are amazing. And we're very lucky that it's so quiet. I imagine when it's busy it can be a bit much. We're also too late today to see any of the shows, but they usually have bird shows that go on throughout the day as well. But yeah, apparently we've only got 30 minutes till the park closes, so we're gonna hurry through it.
I'm peacock.
Where? Let me see a peacock. One of the most impressive things about this place is hearing the sounds of the frogs. They are absolutely unreal. Like if you heard that sound you would never think that they're frogs, but they are. It's just such a cool sound. They're like little laser beams. You thought I was talking to you?
You're like, one of the best things. I was like, oh, okay.
What do you think, Kate?
Yeah,
It's lovely. It's really pretty. This is a really pretty time of day to come at like 5 PM.
That's cool. They're just walking around with their mouth open.
It's really cool. Look at them. What are they gonna find? Yeah. Wow. That technique though. Look at all these flamingos, guys. So cool.
Flamingo, like.
Okay, Katie keeps calling flamingos flamencos, which is really... First they were flamencos, now they're flamingos. Look.
These are actually called lesser flamingos.
They sound like they're farting. Interesting sound. I think these guys are about to be fed. Oh my god!